Welcome back, everybody. Good Friday afternoon to you all. Now, while today may not have been the most beautiful day of days, remember, Melissa just reminded you all about the long winter that we had here. So I think a lot of people will rather select a day like today than one of those cold, snowy days that we had just a couple of months ago. 63 degrees, though, right now in the capital. North wind, only 6 miles per hour. It has been gusting up over 20 miles per hour. A lot of this in Great Falls today. Temperatures made it up above 60 degrees, but now we're down to about 57. Northwest wind at 16 miles per hour. A little more cloud cover around Lewistown and Great Falls. That's why we're in the 50s, but there's been a decent amount of sunshine at times up around Havre in the southeast part of the state. And look at you just west of the divide over around Kalispell and Missoula, low 70s. That will be moving east as we go through the weekend here. On the Doppler radar, a lot of activity, as I mentioned here. Had just a little in the way of some showers, mainly falling up the big belts here, the little belts, and along the Smith River. A couple of showers up on the Continental Divide. Great Falls should be in the clear here. Maybe a couple of sprinkles around the capital. And look at all the activity here through the north central and northeast part of the state. Lightning strikes, as I showed earlier in the news here. Notice all the lightning strikes. The red lightning strikes, or where it's indicated by red, is a positive lightning charge, so it's a stronger lightning charge. And then, of course, we've got some small hail potentially in some of those thunderstorms. So there's the disturbance, actually an area of low pressure up just to the north of Minot, North Dakota. That's going to slide down into the Dakotas, and there's a trailing trough that is going through the state here. This will clear out overnight tonight. There may be a little in the way of some clouds early tomorrow morning around the capital, but really most of the state clearing out. It's mostly sunny for most of the weekend here. So not only is Saturday looking very, very sunny and bright and much warmer, but Mother's Day on Sunday looking very nice. Now, if anybody is heading up here along the High Line, or maybe you've got family coming in, visiting mom up along the High Line, well, there may be a couple of isolated thunderstorms close to the Canadian border here late Sunday evening if you will be barbecuing outside. And then heading into next week, we'll have a little more in the way of some thunderstorm activity Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Now, maybe a stray shower here moving through the north central part of the state over the next couple of hours, but the trend will be for clearing to be taking place here for a lot of these locations, especially overnight tonight. Here's the forecast for tomorrow, Saturday, 60s to about 70 degrees, mostly sunny skies. This is a really nice day. How about Chinook and Harlem over through Havre, upper 60s to right around 70 degrees. Notice it does get a little cooler. We're talking more 50s and 60s northeast Montana, and we'll be in the 50s and the 60s central Montana, even higher elevations getting up into the 50s. And around the capital tomorrow, again, maybe a couple of clouds early in the morning, but the trend will be for a lot of sunshine through the afternoon. And once again, that's a pretty nice weekend here. 70s tomorrow, mostly sunny on Mother's Day, and I think we're going to be right at 80 degrees for the first time since the beginning of September. And then next week, yes, we stay warm, 70s to about 80 degrees. However, Wednesday and Thursday next week, there could be some big thunderstorms moving through the state. Big thunderstorms, powerful thunderstorms. But that's next week's problem. Let's not rush Friday night, or the nice weekend.
Yeah, I think I'm just going to drag the lawn chair outside on Sunday.
And
just stay there.
Be served.
Curtis, thanks.